The Pagani Huayra Codalunga sits quietly in the center of a pristine, minimalistic studio, its presence a testament to automotive artisanship. The video begins with a slow, dramatic pan from left to right, capturing the car's elongated silhouette against a clean white background. The camera then shifts to a frontal shot, gradually zooming in to emphasize the sleek, aerodynamic curves of the Huayra's long-tail design. Next, the viewer is treated to a close-up of the car's uniquely designed headlights, their modern lines and intricate detailing highlighted by subtle reflections of the studio lights. The transition is smooth as the focus moves to the side of the car, where the camera glides smoothly from front to rear, showcasing the meticulous carbon fiber work and the elegance of the vehicle's profile. The rear view is next, capturing the refined curvature and twin exhaust outlets that signal the Huayra's performance pedigree. With the camera placed overhead, the video shifts to an overhead shot, revealing the symmetrical beauty of the car's design from this unique perspective. The camera then shifts to close-ups of the wheels, zooming gently to highlight the exquisite craftsmanship and the Pagani brand etched on the brake calipers. As the wheels slowly spin, the video then transitions into the interior, where viewers are welcomed by the sumptuous leather seats and the intricately detailed dashboard and steering wheel. The camera lingers on the interior, making sure every luxurious element is captured in crisp detail. The final shot is a slow zoom out from the rear of the car, the Pagani Huayra Codalunga standing majestically as the video fades to black. Throughout the video, the use of smooth transitions and high-resolution images ensures that the elegance and engineering precision of the car are emphasized, creating a polished and cohesive presentation suitable for any high-end automotive showcase on YouTube.